my name's John. I'm here at Mid-State Equipment in Watertown, Wisconsin. I'm here to show you today how to safely operate an S590 Bobcat skid loader. First thing you want to do is walk around your machine and make sure it is in safe operating condition. You always want to check your engine oil before starting. When getting in, be sure to have 3 points of contact and turn around and sit down once in machine. This machine is equipped with foot controls. Left pedal raises and lowers the boom, right pedal tilts the bucket. Once in machine, lower the safety bar and start the loader. Once loader is started, press the green button to operate the skid loader. To go forward, push both handles forward. To go back, both handles back. Left handle back, right handle forward, right, left handle forward, right handle back. This machine is equipped with a high-low for faster travel speeds. The S590 is equipped with joysticks. The right joystick, roll in, tilts the bucket back, roll out, tilts the bucket out, down. The left joystick, roll in, raises the loader, and roll out, lowers the loader. The foot pedals will act the same as the joysticks. The right heel rolls the bucket back, right toe lowers the bucket down. Left heel raises the loader up, left toe lowers the loader down. Alright, I just showed you the general operation of a Bobcat skid loader. It takes many hours of operating to become an expert. Be sure to start out slow and take your time. My name's John here at Mid-State Equipment. Come visit us at any one of our 7 locations.